Okay. Call her back.
This here is Maggie, a 10-month-old Lhasa mix.
What you doing, Maggie? What you doing? Oh no! Maggie!
She dances, as you can see.
Maggie, what you doing? Oh no, we're gonna play keep away. Go get it! Where'd it go? Got you in the head.
She is looking for an energetic home of her own. Somebody who has the energy to keep up with her. Oh, Maggie! Oh, don't go there! Where are you headed? Come on!
I was hoping we would get to see the weasel part of her.
Oh yes, that bouncy.
Yeah, she does this really cool weasel.
She has to do that dance. Where's our weasel dance, Maggie?
Maggie. What you doing?
And we're sliding.
Come here, Maggie. There's a little bit of the weasel.